Hi everyone, if you are wanting to try get a Thai con and your budget's a bit low, I have a couple of these guys extra that I'm going to be bringing in. They're going to come in jelly, not like this, they're going to come in jelly, and the price includes the stratum, which is at the bottom, and the cup. So you will just take it out of the jelly, give it a good wash, maybe give it a drop of betadine in the water that you wash it with just to make sure it's nice and fungus free. And then you just plant it in the stratum at the bottom. And then when you see that the roots are doing really well, which is like this, you'll see all these good roots, then you kind of know it's good. You can take the lid off and just keep the stratum a bit moist. Keep the lid off once you see roots like that. Another 3 weeks with no lid, topping up the stratum so that it stays moist. You'll see if I tip it, it's got some moisture in there, it's not too dry. And then after about 3 weeks like this without the lid, you can take the lid off and plant it in your favorite mix, and it should just do perfectly. Very good if you're going into hydroponics and or soil. Makes no difference. Growing it like this works for both worlds. It really does very well. So if you're interested in growing your own baby Thai, please let me know.